On the first day of implementing the extraordinary measures against the coronavirus by the Belgian government, sun disappeared from Brussels together with the signs of life, the most important square in the city, the most crowded and the most visited in Europe. Grand Place, in a scene Belgium can't recall.
غابوا تماما اليوم عنها في مشهد لا تذكره بلجيكا من قبل.
World first shopping center and historically the most important one in Belgium, Royal Gallery of St. Hubert is completely empty. The gallery that hosts world's most famous chocolatiers, design and fashion shops, luxe shoppers and tourists today. De Brucker Square is another important square in the city. It's named after the Belgian famous Prime Minister. The boulevard is originally the Elsene River of Brussels. You can witness in Place de Brucker fragments of life after it vanished completely from the most of the city. History of Brussels is under recomposing. From the first time in the past decades, you can take a selfie solo with the Mannequin Pis. I have been visiting the city for the past 15 years. I've never saw it empty like this in front of the Mannequin Pis any day or any night. Let's take a selfie. Doesn't matter whatever happens in this town, you will always find frites. Pay attention, if you are a vegetarian, most of the time it's fried in pork fat. Bon appetit. Today we try to show the historical famous destinations for refugees under a coma. We wish things improve fast in the coming 3 weeks and vibrant squares and life bloom again in the city. We also hope that you are all carefully paying attention to your safety, social distancing while you wait for our coming video from the city of Ghent.